Nick Rudder for the McKee's 37 Trademark Garage. Every vehicle manufactured since the 1980s has polycarbonate headlight lenses. Now, polycarbonate is a fancy word for plastic. Compared to glass headlight lenses, polycarbonate is going to last a lot longer. You can design it any which way to fit intricate vehicle designs, plus it's not going to shatter. The downside is that the top layer will oxidize and yellow over time, turning your clear headlight lens into an opaque, chalky surface that's going to resist light passing through to illuminate the road. We have a solution. The McKee's 37 Total Headlight Restoration Kit is a two-part polish and protectant that's going to remove years of oxidation and yellowing, restoring the clarity to your vehicle's headlight lenses. This easy-to-use kit does not require any professional experience, just a household drill in about 5 minutes of your time. The first part of the kit is all-in-one headlight restoring polish. This heavy cut cleaner is going to cut through the oxidation and the yellowing, polishing it to a high gloss. Your lens will be crystal clear. Apply it using the included wool applicator pad, which attaches to the drill, which applies in your truck of any household drill. Apply an X, work the product side to side, up and down, and then wipe it off. Now you know when you're finished because the headlight will be clear again. Wipe the polish off and then proceed to apply McKee's 37 Headlight Protectant Spray. This is a clear polymer sealant that's going to add UV protection. That way it's going to help resist future oxidation. Keep your headlights looking new and increase safety in inclement winter weather with the McKee's 37 Total Headlight Restoration System.